Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to check out our previous video where we covered the fundamentals of the Pi network. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting aspect of the Pi network, its staking mechanism. Understanding how staking works in Pi can help you maximize your earnings and engage more effectively with this innovative platform. What is staking? Staking is a process where cryptocurrency holders lock up their coins to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return for their commitment, they earn rewards, typically in the form of additional coins. This mechanism not only helps secure the network but also incentivizes users to maintain their coins, reducing market volatility. Why staking matters in Pi network? The staking mechanism in Pi network is particularly significant as it enables users to earn passive income while contributing to the network's stability. By staking your Pi, you actively participate in securing the network, which is vital for its growth and decentralization. It's a win-win situation. You earn rewards, and the network becomes stronger. How to stake your Pi? Staking in the Pi network is designed to be user-friendly, allowing participants of all levels to get involved. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to stake your Pi. Download the Pi Network app. If you haven't already, download the official Pi Network app from your device's app store. Make sure to use the official source to avoid scams. Create or log into your account. After downloading, create an account or log in if you already have one. Ensure you complete your KYC, know your customer, verification if it's available for you, as this enhances your staking capabilities. Access the staking feature. Navigate to the staking section within the app. Here, you'll see options to start staking your Pi. Choose your staking amount. Decide how much of your Pi you wish to stake. Remember, the more you stake, the higher your potential rewards, but ensure you keep enough Pi for your transactions and daily activities. Confirm your staking. After selecting your amount, confirm your staking choice. Your Pi will be locked for a specified duration, and you won't be able to use those coins until the staking period ends. Factors influencing staking rewards. Understanding what influences your staking rewards is crucial. Several factors come into play. Staking duration. Generally, the longer you stake your Pi, the higher your rewards. The network incentivizes longer commitment, encouraging stability. Network activity. The total amount of Pi being staked across the network can affect individual rewards. Higher participation can lead to greater overall rewards, but it also means sharing the Pi with more participants. Consensus mechanism. Pi network uses a unique consensus algorithm that integrates both proof of work and social mechanisms. This innovative approach ensures that the network remains secure and decentralized while allowing for efficient staking. The importance of community in staking. One of the standout features of the Pi network is its community-driven approach. By staking, you're not just contributing to your own gains, you're also supporting a network built on collaboration. Engaging with fellow pioneers enhances the overall ecosystem and promotes collective growth. Potential risks of staking in Pi network. While staking offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential risks. Market volatility. The value of Pi can fluctuate significantly. While staking can yield rewards, the actual value of those rewards may change. Liquidity concerns. Once you stake your Pi, you might not have immediate access to those coins. If you need quick liquidity, consider this before locking up your assets. Regulatory risks. As with any cryptocurrency project, regulatory developments can impact the ecosystem. Stay informed about any news related to the Pi network to make educated decisions. In summary, the staking mechanism in Pi network is a powerful feature that allows users to earn rewards while contributing to the network's security and stability. By understanding how to stake effectively and the factors that influence rewards, you can optimize your experience within the Pi ecosystem. Don't forget to watch our previous video for a solid foundation on the Pi network and stay tuned for future videos where we'll delve deeper into strategies for maximizing your Pi earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest content. Happy staking, and see you in the next video.